What's good, YouTube? Somebody put back with another video, and as you can see from the title and thumbnail, well, the car's dirty as hell. But anyways, it's about to be my first drive in a week because I've been on vacations and stuff. But it's actually clean, as you can see. Like, got the little wiped down, you know, got everything wiped down, got everything vacuumed. Everything nice and clean. You feel me? Clean car, clean star. Yeah. Yeah, 100K miles on the way. Whoop, whoop. But, about to get this drive for y'all. About to go get food, so that's where y'all gonna be on the drive with me today, so let's go. Alright, y'all, we are getting on the highway. I love this car so much. But it's been a while since we've been in it, so let's just throw it in track, you know. First thing you gotta do. As y'all can see, my windshield is very dirty. I don't got no fluid thing. My thing don't work no more. Let's go ahead and get up out of there, you feel me? Woo! It never gets old. I don't care how much horsepower, blah, blah, blah. You can have this car for years and you'll never get tired of it. Why the hell is my things flashing like that? I've never seen that. I'm not gonna lie. Well, sorry. But we got a beautiful sunset. Sunset, yeah. Lord have mercy. Man, I gotta get a day out with some other cars. So we can get hella cars out. I don't even want to cut up. I just want to drive with other cars and like hear other cars, drive with other cars. Because you know it's so fun when you do that. Finna get y'all a pull. Video for y'all one day where I slide the car, because I never do that and I want to. We got a little bridge right here. See if we can get some pops under it. Car did not want to pop, so saw that? Oh Lord, it's another one. Guess who goes to jail tonight? Is that how it goes, or is somebody going to jail tonight? I don't know. But y'all, I'm about to get back on this channel. Real stupid heavy. I just not been on it because I have not been driving this car. But I'm gonna catch y'all in a second. Alright, y'all, we back on the highway. Damn. Okay, Ben's pushing that hoe, you feel me? nigga started pushing it. I ain't gonna lie, I wanna race, but I don't even know what that bitch got in it. A BMW wanna start hitting you, that little weak ass booty boot. Y'all leave video ideas y'all want me to do down below. Never gets old. What's good, y'all? Is another part of this video. I did the first video driving my Camaro for the first time in a week, and now we got some rainy weather. And I'm just thinking, might as well go slaughter for y'all. I never do that. Y'all see this bird poop? Like, come on. But anyways, yeah, I never slaughter for y'all, so I'm gonna go and I'm gonna set my tripod up, and we're gonna get some little footage for y'all. We're just gonna add this to the other video though, because I want to get y'all some good, like some long videos, you know what I'm saying? But I have been gone for 3 weeks. I apologize. I just been going through some things, you know. Been trying to figure out what I'm gonna do, switch up stuff, you know. But no need to get in that young for cars. But we're gonna get y'all a cold start right now. I'm not gonna lie, that shit was extremely loud. Alright, so we're gonna get on the road. We're gonna get to where we going. Damn, we need gas. We're gonna put a little bit of gas in first so y'all can get some footage. Alright, y'all, we are about to pull up to the gas. Oh, there we go. We are about to pull up to the gas station. It's a little cold outside and the car is popping crazy. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna pull off a little bit. Oh shit, oh no, we good. Y'all gonna hear when we get to this light, because we almost at the gas station, so y'all gonna hear these pops. It's crazy right now. We are in manual mode. I've been meaning a lot of content to come out, bro. I just been on like a little mental break, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, I was focusing on a few other things, trying to do some other stuff. But anyways, now I want to come back to this channel. Alright, listen here. This is crazy. Oh my goodness. Y'all hear that shit, bro? Oh my fuck. So we only gonna put a little bit of gas in, cause we just on a quick little mission today, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna clean my windows also, because look at this. Very dirty, very dirty. I don't know what it is. Oh shit, I'm not in park. But for some reason, my car windows been starting to look like this, and I do not like it. My mirror's been like this, like fucked up, like dirty as hell. But while I'm getting some gas, I'm about to go ahead and fix that. So, be right back with y'all in a second. Alright, y'all, we just got like basically half a tank. I'm about to head to the spot now. I'm just gonna get like y'all a little lunch right here. not launch, but you know, like a little pull. Oh shit! Oh goddamn car at the spot. All right, I'm gonna catch y'all buzz when we get to the spot. All right, y'all, we are out here. Unfortunately, there's a car parked here. I don't know if anybody's in it. Damn, my car look good as hell. And it's dirty as hell. You can't even tell for real. But, damn, this is a great thumbnail. Like, hold on, let me take a real picture. I'm gonna just show y'all. I gotta get a new splitter too, y'all, by the way. Taking this through the car wash, which I should not be doing, has been fucking it up. But I'm not gonna lie. I'm done with the car wash, like the drive-through car washes, because, bro, like, damn, my tires look kind of, I mean, they look great, but like from right here they look kind of bald. Anyways, but for some reason when I'm gonna just show y'all, when I take my car through like the drive-through car wash, my shit leaks from right here, bro. And I can see, because like this right here, like, I mean, I tried to fix it last time, but I might have fixed it. I don't know if I did. But it was like, it leaks water every time my sub gets wet. Like, it's nothing, I mean, it's gotten bad. Like, the last time, it was bad. But I'm just going to go to, like, I usually, when I was in South Carolina, I used to go to the little, like, self-washes and shit and just wash it there. But, I mean, it's something here. It's just that other shit, it's just so faster. You get like the tire shine, all that, and it's just lazy of me, because I could go wash my car way cheaper. Like, I already bought some wheel cleaner. I just need to go get like the brushes for the wheels. I need tire shine, and I got a bunch of different stuff. Like, I got interior cleaner, all that. But I'm just gonna, and I even got like some, it's not real ceramic. There's the car over there, by the way. That's why I can't do them here. But we got ceramic little spray stuff that I can put on it and I guess help it. But yeah, so this has fucked up my whole splitter. So those car washes will not be a thing no more, unless I literally have to, like. But I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure I won't go back through there. But if we can get this car to leave in a few minutes, I'm gonna go do some donuts. I might come back later so I can get a chance to do it, because I ain't done this in a while and I want this to be something y'all can see. But I'm gonna catch y'all in a second. I'm just about to take some more videos and stuff for like Reels and Instagram and Shorts. Bye. All right, y'all, don't park. We finna do it now. Not gonna lie, y'all, I just walked that bitch. It's time to go. All right, damn, my light came on. Anyway, all right, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I for sure will go and do this again and actually like do it for a while, because I didn't really get to do it as long as I want. I only did one circle, but I will do this again. I'm not gonna lie, because I like spinning my car. I just don't do it very often, but when I do it, it's like fun to me. So yeah, and I've been talking about this paddle shifter video. I'm gonna get that out this week. I promise y'all. I'm gonna get the paddle shifter video out, and I'm gonna get how to make your Camaro pop. So if y'all are new, subscribe, because I got some good content on the way. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. I'm out.